All right, good morning, room 32. We're going to go ahead and get our lesson going today. Today is module 11.8, money, working with dollars and cents. All right, and we're going to go ahead and get our slides going here. So to start with, our first slide that we have is of a wallet. In this wallet is $2.27. So what bills and coins could be in this wallet? Well, let's think about some ways to show that. First of all, yesterday we talked about how 4 quarters equals to $1, correct? So for example, could we have $1 bill and 4 quarters would make another dollar. 27 cents would be 1 quarter and 2 pennies. So could we do 5? So $1, right? And then 5 25-cent pieces and 2 pennies, right? That's one combination. What if we just did $2? Oops, hang on one second. Let me undo that for a second. All right, so what if we did, I did it again. Sorry about that. Let me try this one more time. All right. So what if we did 2 $1 bills, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies? All right. So that could be another way that we could represent it. And there's other combinations too. Those are just some of the ways that we can represent it. All right. Let's go ahead and think about what could we buy with this amount of money. So think about things that you bought in the store. I think one thing that a lot of kids like to get is maybe some snacks or maybe some candy. Could you buy a candy bar with this money? I think so. Maybe a small bag of chips. Perhaps if you went to the dollar store, you could buy 2 toys. Okay, those are just some ideas. I'm sure you have other ideas, and feel free to share those with your families as you go through this video. All right, this time we have another bill full of money, another wallet, right? And another word for wallet is billfold. You might have heard that word and you might not have, but just another word for how to say a wallet, all right? So $25.38. Now, let's think about the bills that could be in here. For example, do we have a $20 bill? We sure do. So there is a bill that is $20. You might have seen that before. Maybe you got it for a birthday, or you saw your mom and dad paying for something at the store. And then there's a $5 bill. Okay. I'm sure you've seen $5 bills, right? So one $20 bill, one $5 bill, a quarter, which is 25 cents, right? And a nickel. How about we go with the dime? Let's go with the dime. That would be 35 cents. And so that'd be 1 dime and then 3 pennies. All right. So that's one example. Remember, there's a lot of other ways to come up with ways to represent this dollar and cents amount. Try some at home. Get a piece of scratch paper, pause the video, come up with some different ways, talk about it with your family. All right. Now, here's some problems with money. It says Amelia has 1 bill, 2 pennies, and 3 dimes. How much money does she have? $1 bill. I'm sorry, I missed that. $1 bill, 2 pennies, 3 dimes. How much money does she have? I'm going to give you guys just a brief moment to think about that. Try to come up with a solution for that. soon as you're done, then you can check it against my answer. If you need to pause the video for a little extra time, do so. I'm going to go ahead and show the answer. So if we were to write this in dollars and cents, it'd be $1.32, sorry, decimal point, 32 cents. All right. So that's how much money you would have with that particular person's bill and coins. Now it says Daniel has $1 bill, 3 nickels, 1 dime, and 2 pennies. All right. Go ahead and try to solve that. Again, remember what you can do. You can pause the video right here, and then you can solve it and you can check it against my answer. All right. So I'll stop for a moment. All right, you can go ahead and check your answer against mine. So we're going to put the dollar symbol and put the 1 and the decimal point. And then we're going to go with the highest coin value. 1 dime is 10 cents, correct? 3 nickels, a nickel is 5 cents. So 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 10 is 25, and 2 more would be 27. So the total amount is $1.27. All right. Same thing applies to the next one. And I'm going to go ahead and let you solve that problem. You can pause it, check it with your parents, and I'll let you do the same with this. And this asks you, what bills and coins could she have? All right. This is a little different. Try this one. You can pause it. And then I'm going to go ahead and give you an answer for this one. The next one I'll let you do on your own. Okay? So one possibility would be $2 bills. Okay? That was not quite what I was looking for on the 1. Okay? 2 $1 bills, 1 quarter, and 1 nickel. Remember, this is one way to do it. You can come up with your own. All right. On the next one, it says Gabriel has a total of $1.40. He has only coins. All right. Keywords here. He has only coins. So think about your solution, try it, solve it, and ask your parents to check your work. All right. We're going to go ahead and move on now to our work pages. And on our work pages today, as you can see, it gives us some activities to do here in the step up. I'm going to go ahead and just zoom in on our page a little bit here. So it says, color the bills and coins that you would use to pay the exact price. No change will be given. All right. So you need to color the bills and the coins that would be the same amount as the exact price. Okay. So look very carefully at what you have and then color those. And I'd be glad to check those with you if you want. I can help you during math time tomorrow. But there's 2 problems like that here. On the second page, it asks you to draw simple pictures of bills and coins to show the exact price. All right. So show bills and coins. I'll give you one example here. One example you could do for this particular problem would be a $5 bill. Okay. 1 $5 bill, 2 $1 bills. Okay. 2 $1 bills, and then a quarter, and a dime, and a nickel. So that would be 40 cents and then 2 pennies. Okay, so that's one example of what you could do. All right. Go ahead and do the rest on your own. On the step ahead, it says drop bills and coins in the purse to help solve this problem. All right, go ahead and tackle those. Again, if you need help, I'll see you during the math academic support time. That's a wrap for today. Thanks, guys.